bamuggyeko Akawuuwo.
Olunaku olwaleero abeesimbyewo bonna okuvuganya ku kifo ky'okujjuza omubaka wa paalamenti atwala ekitundu kya Omoro batandise okunoonya akalulu mu butongole nga bano basiibye batalaga ebitundu ebyenjawulo okumatiza abalonzi nga bwe bali abeetegefu okukola ku nsonga zonna ezibaluma.
Andrew Jok, I think it is in the plan of God that it should be the heir of the dreams of Jacob Olanya for the people of Omoro. All other political parties that are coming to campaign, I think they are mere scavengers.
Andrew Ojok Olanya akwatidde ekibiina kya NRM bendera okunoonya akalulu akutandikidde mu ggombolola ye ODEC ng'ono akalulu asoose kukasaba njukunju.
Today is a special day. We have launched our campaigns at a place called Olam. It's a parish in ODEC. It's also where Toilet was born. It's in the neighborhood of the NUP candidate. So it's an opportunity for us to send our message forward. It's a message of unity, of development and reconciliation.
Oluvannyuma n'asisinkanye abawagizi be abamulindidde mu bitundu bye Oram n'ategeeza nga bw'ali omwetegefu okukola ku bizibu byonna ebibaluma singa banaamwesiga ne bamulonda okubakiikirira.
That despite the different shades of color, we need to be able to be strategic in our thought. As voters, as electorate, let's be strategic. That yes, you might love somebody, but can they deliver? We see the vote as a debt, that you should be able to give a debt to someone who is able to pay you back. And in this case, the NRM government has the capacity to pay back the electorate. And that's our prayer, that's our message to the people.
Abatuuze eno bategeeza nga bwe balina ekizibu ky'amazzi oluvannyuma lw'okubanga nayikondo ze balina okukozesa zaafa, enguudo embi naddala oluva eggulu okudda Moroto n'amalwaliro agamu obutabeeramu ddagala.
The problem here, these leaders, they don't mind. Whenever they go, they don't look at the back. That's the problem. Any small thing which comes in the district, no one can get. Somebody can say, hey, my friend, you come, this is yours. But somebody who is in the village, nothing. We have only 2 boreholes. One is here, then another one is somewhere almost 3 miles away. Medicine, very little. When you go at around 10, you will not get.
Ono oluvudde wano yeeyongeddeyo mu tawuni kanso ye Achet yeegattiddwako omubaka wa paalamenti atwala ekitundu kya Gulu East Charles Onen.
We are doing a door-to-door approach, but we know that time is short. So we're selecting where there's the opposition stronghold to see how we can gain ground as an NRM.
Onen ategeeza nti abantu be Omoro basaanidde okubeera abeegendereza nga balonda omukulembeze anaddamu okubakiikirira.
At times we may go to get medical treatment, but they will not be given appropriate treatment. They may even decide to just look at you, leave you there, without even taking any concern with what we have come for.
Ate ye akwatidde ekibiina kya NUP bendera ku kifo kino Simon Toriti Akecha okunoonya akalulu akutandikidde mu bitundu bya Omoro Town Council.
If he wants this new party to come, he dodged apologizing to the people of Acholi and the people of Omoro. To me, is not a national leader.
Omwogezi wa poliisi mu mambuka ga Uganda Ongom David ategeeza nti okunoonya akalulu ku lunaku olusoose kubadde kwa mirembe n'asaba abeesimbyewo obutakola fujjo.
So far so good. As you can see, the security situation is okay, and of course this is within our mandate, me and you, to ensure that we create an enabling environment for all the participants in this race. So our work is very, very clear. We are purely giving security to both the candidates and the voters and the electorates. Yes.
Kanyike Kevinize yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa ABS Television.